Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a legendary nameplate in the automotive world, the 2024 BMW 5 Series. This iconic sedan has been a symbol of luxury, performance, and driving pleasure for decades, and the latest iteration promises to uphold that tradition while embracing the future. The first thing that strikes you about the 2024 5 Series is its bold and elegant presence. The signature kidney grille has been slightly reshaped, giving the car a more confident stance. The headlights are sleeker and more modern, while the overall silhouette retains that classic BMW athleticism. Interior: step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious and driver-focused environment. The high-quality materials and impeccable craftsmanship create a sense of sophistication. The latest BMW infotainment system takes center stage, featuring a large touchscreen and intuitive controls. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, offering ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The 2024 5 Series offers a range of engine options to suit your needs. The base 530i boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers a balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking more excitement, the 540iX Drive features a potent 3.0-liter turbocharged six-cylinder engine that offers exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. For the first time ever, the 5 Series family welcomes a fully electric member, the i5. This groundbreaking sedan offers all the benefits of zero-emission driving without sacrificing the signature BMW performance. The i5 eDrive 40 boasts impressive range and rapid charging capabilities, making it a compelling choice for the environmentally conscious driver. The 2024 5 Series comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These advanced technologies work together to enhance your safety and confidence on the road. The 2024 BMW 5 Series is a compelling evolution of a legendary nameplate. It blends classic design elements with cutting-edge technology, offering a luxurious and exhilarating driving experience for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether you choose the traditional gasoline-powered models or embrace the future with the all-electric i5, the 5 Series remains a symbol of innovation and automotive excellence. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the 2024 BMW 5 Series. If you're interested in learning more about this iconic sedan, be sure to visit your local BMW dealership or check out the official BMW website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews.